Spell tayo ng color, okay? You spell red.
I-E-T.
Spell orange.
O-I-A-N-C-E.
Spell yellow.
Y-E-L-L-O-W.
Spell green.
C-I-E-E-N.
Spell blue.
B-L-U-E.
Spell violet.
V-I-O.
Mm.
L-E-T.
Spell white.
T is look like T.
Tama, okay.
Look like what?
Okay. White.
Huh?
White.
W-H-I-T-E.
Good. How about pink?
P-I-N-K.
How about brown?
P-I-O-N.
Oh, brown. Ulit.
Sorry. Again.
Okay.
Nasa brown na tayo. diba?
Brown, opo.
B-I-O-N-R-W.
W, ano? Saan sa W?
E.
Paano naging E? Paano nagkaroon ng E sa brown? Ulit. B.
B-I-O. Brown.
B-R-O. W.
W-A-N.
N. Brown. Yan yung mali mo, brown. How about gray? Gray.
C-I-A-Y.
How about rainbow?
R-A-I-B-O-W.
Mali.
Ha?
Ulit.
What?
Ulit.
Balitakada.
Mm.
R-I-A.
No.